Yeah, please tell me, ma'am. Now I'm able to hear
Ah,
you.
what I felt is when you teach, it becomes very easy. And
Okay.
after the candle formation, no, like some we can make out. But when the candle is forming, when the market is forming, it is very difficult
Okay.
for me.
That
I
that
think
requires time, ma'am, actually.
that is what I
Continuous practice in market, ma'am. Uh,
see.
yeah, that experience continuously while watching, and even you will be able to see how that candle have formed. So next time when it is forming like that, you will come to know that previously this candle have formed, and after that price have done this action. That thing
Mm-hmm.
also will come. Minimum, I think 1 or 2 months regularly, if we start drawing these trend lines, and if we start doing practicing in market now, ma'am, it will automatically come. It was there
Mm-hmm.
for me also. That confusion will be there initially while drawing and all, actually, even for drawing also, and candle
Yes.
formation also, that confusion will be there.
Two,
uh,
3 times I went, I deleted, I drew. But means in when we are forming only, we are trying to draw. No, like when came, no, I drew. But it is
Understood,
not that.
understood, understood, ma'am. Can you draw and show me how we have drawn? So that's why we have kept this practical sessions. Otherwise, no, ma'am, like everyone know, we can just tell and go all these things. But I know the practical difficulty after learning means while
Yes,
showing it
yes,
will
yes,
sing, it will be very simple.
yes, very
Once we
true.
go to market and when we start to apply it, it will be different scene there. I will stop sharing my screen. You can share, ma'am, now. Virish, have you have done in Go charting? Have you tried?
Go charting, I tried, but the major difficulty is, I think once the chart is formed, it's very easy to draw the
No, no. I
chart.
think maybe one major point everyone have missed is you can control the speed of that chart, actually, that candle forming. Because when you put replay, if you put the default speed, it will be very fast.
Maybe I was struggling to work with Go charting because this is the first time I was working on
Yeah,
that.
yeah. No, no issues. No issues. We all are learners. At that time, it will happen, and later, once we continuously use for some days or 1 or 2 months, anyone can become an expert. It will be a few days difficulty will be there, actually. It is not easy. While seeing, you will think it is very easy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think when you explain it, it looks like very easy.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you seeing Abhiram?
Yeah, ma'am.
Actually,
I am able to see your this thing, ma'am. Chat. Ma'am, delete everything and draw and show, ma'am. Let's see. Better, ma'am, you can go to this is Go chatting or this is Go chatting,
go
right?
chat.
Okay, ma'am, you click on replay and delete at
One
least
minute.
1 or 2 days.
See, this is all go charting. What I did is, Abhiram.
Yeah, ma'am, seeing, ma'am.
See, everywhere I drew, but somewhere it is not touching. Something it happened. See, here it is touching. See,
Ma'am, what you
here.
do now, ma'am? Ma'am, you delete it, ma'am. All what you have drawn, you just delete it. Ma'am, click on replay button, replay. Yeah, yeah. So you can come and double click in any from any one day, February 19th only, or any day, ma'am. You take February 16th
Because I
only.
have done from 16th.
Ah,
Means resistance I have put
yeah,
here.
ma'am.
Previous day I went to 1 day candle
Yeah,
and I
ma'am.
had that.
So February 16th onwards, that big red candle you can click. That is the 16th day morning first candle. Ma'am, you click once again to replay. One click. And come to that red candle, ma'am, now. Big red candle. Now double click, ma'am. Yeah. So that was the next day's first candle.
Yes, yes.
So
I put
previous
the
days resistance and support
play
should
I will
be,
put.
yeah, ma'am.
Play I will put.
No, ma'am. Now you change to day. First, we need to plot the previous day support and resistance, right? Go to daily. Ma'am, daily it is below 4 hours. It is written daily.
Here, no,
Ah, yeah,
one
yeah.
day.
There also you can click.
See these two lines, I don't know. Sorry.
Delete, ma'am. That two lines also you delete. Don't get confused. Ma'am. 1 second. Go to top. 1 minute it is written. You click. Don't use down. You click
Yes.
there and go to daily. Down, 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 down. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Then side scroll bar you can use. Up, 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 up. Nicely put, ma'am. Nicely take. Yeah, ma'am. Scroll nicely. Let it be very visible that candle. Otherwise, you won't be able to draw. And
Visible, no?
yeah, yeah. Now down also that month there also you can draw.
Where down?
Ah, there only, ma'am. You have done it correctly.
Uh-huh.
Now you can mark a support and resistance. I think some blue lines are still there. No, can you click one and delete, ma'am? Yeah. So you are able to visible the upper portion of the high of that candle, ma'am. Day means previous day, one candle, single
Yes,
candle it will
yes.
be.
It is this fifth, 16th one. This.
Last green candle will be the previous
Yeah,
day. Yes,
this
yes.
is a low.
Ah,
That is a support.
yes. So you click on that, yeah, ma'am, horizontal line and make that one as red, ma'am. Next will be the color. Next, yeah, yeah. Always do like this, otherwise both lines will get confused.
Confused.
Then next again one thing, and you can one horizontal line, and you can click on the high and make it as
This
green.
is the resistance.
Yeah, that is the resistance. Previous day support and resistance. So you can make it as
This also I should make in red
no,
color.
ma'am.
No,
That one is already red. No, now you can click and make it as green.
no, no. This one, this is green.
No,
What I
no.
have put now, no resistance. It is green color,
No,
Abhinav.
ma'am, that one
Green.
actually, that candle's line it is showing actually, where it is some candle is
No,
lively
blue,
running,
blue,
no?
blue. Sorry,
Ah, yeah.
blue. Just
Blue, you can make it
above.
as green.
Okay. Now
Okay.
I'll go to 5 minute
Ah, now
candle.
no doubt will come because red will be the resistance and sorry. Okay, you need to draw ulta, ma'am. Sorry, red. Let it be top red and down green.
Okay.
So once we change from our this chart and we'll be drawing other lines now, you won't get confused at that time.
I
Down you
think
put
I
green.
made two lines now. I'll delete it. Two are visible for me. No,
Ma'am,
actually.
no. That is 46,218. When market closed, no, that line it is showing actually.
Okay, okay. Where it went?
Ma'am, no, you deleted actually. You come down again and take horizontal line.
Oh,
Yeah, make it green. Yeah, now it is correct. Now we have plotted the previous day support and resistance. Now we need to come back to 5 minutes.
sense support.
Yeah.
Now 5 minutes.
I think why everyone felt it is difficult. No, you are not able to catch up with the uh, this one. Because no, ma'am, you've seen no 1 second per bar they have written the
It
speed.
is like
Very fast it will run.
very fast.
Yeah,
Five
you can
minutes are
adjust the speed,
very
ma'am. There,
moving.
you just that white one. This thing will be there,
I
no.
made 1 second per bar.
Increase it, ma'am. Increase it. Yeah, yeah,
How
fine,
many?
fine. Now the
Fine.
candle formation will be a little bit slow. You can just play button and you can see. Ma'am, put pause.
Should I
Ah,
pause?
yes, yes. So now you zoom in properly, ma'am. Nicely you zoom in from the side. Ah, yeah, from there only. Go up, ma'am. Little more, because it will become even more visible for everyone.
Say correct, no?
Yes, yes. So
But
I think everyone can see that ma'am have drawn one red line before, and market have next day market have opened above that red line. Is it visible?
this one
Yeah, market have opened now, ma'am. Above the red line only the market candle have opened.
opened above the resistance. Now that is the support.
Yes, that have become a support. So what will happen is we are not having any resistance now, right? Because our resistance was broken now. Now it have become a support. In such scenarios, what we need to do, we need to go back again to the daily this one time frame and find the next previous days uh, this one candles high and low. Ma'am, now you can go to again daily.
So now actually I have marked previous day.
Yeah, ma'am. Previous days it is broken now.
Yes,
So
yes.
now you don't have any new resistance, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if market want to move up till where it should move up, how you will come to know now without resistance?
Mm.
So to find out the resistance, now we can go back to the daily chart and we can check the previous day's candle. Not just the previous days, previous to the candle which you have drawn. This is daily now, ma'am.
Yes, yes. This is February 16th one. This one where I
Okay.
had marked.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have to come to this one.
No, ma'am. Now you can come to that big red one.
This one.
No, no, no. That is also below your resistance. No, one which
Yes.
candle which is above your resistance you need to see.
This one.
That one's high and low also you can draw, ma'am.
That is Tuesday, 6th February.
Yes. Because that will be our next resistance.
Okay. So
Understood now?
we.
My logic, everyone understood why I am choosing that?
Mhm.
High.
This one or this one.
No, ma'am. No, previous one.
Yes.
Always previous high should be taken. Don't go
Okay.
too behind.
Okay.
In
Everyone
that case,
under.
we should believe the first support and resistance, or
No,
we
no, no,
can.
no. Because it is broken right now.
No, it's broken. Yeah, true. But we are using the previous
No, no. Previous
resistance.
resistance, what will happen is market moves above that previous resistance. What it will happen is the previous resistance will become support.
Okay.
So in case market want to move up
Mhm.
and we want to take a long position.
Okay.
Have you everyone have watched my yesterday's this one recording I have sent in
Yeah,
Telegram
I
group?
did. I did what? Yeah, you are drawn
Yeah,
few.
in that also two resistance you have
Yeah, yeah.
marked.
Ma'am, now you can stop sharing.
Okay.
Viresh have asked one correct doubt actually. So what I will do is right now I will be telling you what is the logic behind all these things. So everyone will understand why the previous days it was choose because the same thing happened yesterday also actually. Okay, now I will show you what had happened. For everyone it is visible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what we will do, we will be here in trading view we won't be able to go to uh, replay and all, so I will go to daily chart. So this was Friday's market, yesterday's market. So this candle is
Yes.
Thursdays.
Yes.
So before you imagine this candle is not there, which this yesterday's Friday's market is not there. So before market opening what we will do, we will go and mark
Support and
support and resistance. So this was the previous day's resistance. So it's visible now for everyone. It is very clear now. I have marked, means what I am marking.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this was the resistance and this was the support for the Thursday's market. So what had happened that day? Market have opened and it have broken the resistance, right? Everyone is able to see this candle, right? It have opened and it have broken our resistance.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
See, this was Friday's candle, first 5 minute candle. I'll zoom in once again. It should be clear. If anyone is not able to see, you should tell. Okay, so this was this candle, this red candle, able to see, no?
Mm-hmm.
This red
Yes.
candle was the Friday's opening, first candle. So what it have done, it have broken our resistance, right? This
Yes.
resistance was broken even with body, and I always used to tell that if a line should be broken, that should be broken with body, then only we will consider as a break of line. So once it have broken, second with a very good engulfing, bullish engulfing candle it is. So anyone know about what is a at least heard about what is a bullish engulfing candle? Engulfing candle, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, anyone have heard?
Heard about this.
Yeah, ma'am. See here we can able to see what is a bullish engulfing. That means that the if it was red, I am telling, okay, this candle is red and this candle is completely body. This candle's body is completely inside. It is like completely it have eaten this candle. You can see till here. If you take the rectangle tool, see here is the body and here is also the body. So this previous candle should be completely inside this candle. That is called as engulfing.
Okay.
Understood, no? Ma'am, any doubt here?
No, no.
See, it is completely, this green candle have completely eaten this red candle. When which color candle is eating the previous candle, that is called as, means that color indicates, means red indicates bearish and green indicate bullish. So the green candle have eaten the red candle, so it is called as bullish engulfing candle. That is a bullish engulfing, means that it represents that market having a strong upward momentum. So what it why I am telling is our resistance was broken with a body and a very good bullish engulfing candle had happened, not only once, see again it had happened. It is also a very good momentum candle also. Understood, no? So what had
Yes.
happened, our support, sorry, our resistance is broken now and this resistance have become support. So why, what is the importance of to find the resistance? Now if you want to take a trade according to your strategy, you need to find out where market can come and give a resistance. That is a very beautiful example. Yesterday's video I have posted because I have taken an entry over this candle according to our strategy. This candle was the entry candle. Then what had happened, I have kept a 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio in this. That is a risk reward, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So what had happened, market haven't reached here, right? Our target market got rejected over here. I have spotted this rejection before the market have made this rejection here. How I have spotted? Because I want to move up. I want to know that whether in my journey of upward movement, whether any obstruction is there. So in order to make that easily understood, means easily to find out, we can use the resistance, right? It means that obstruction is caused by what? Resistance. So that resistance, how we will find out is, the previous resistance is broken, means that day's resistance is broken. You just go and search for any other previous candle in day chart, and that previous high we can consider as resistance. So here what we will do, here this resistance was broken, Then we don't know now till where market will go or where next resistance is there. Then what we will do is we will go to the day chart again. See, now we have drawn here, right? Here and here, previous candle. Now what had happened? This resistance was broken and we need to find out the next resistance. So here in this case, the previous candle, this candle you can see, right? This is higher than this resistance. So I will consider this candle. So what I will draw is here I will draw a resistance. Understood now? Everyone able to follow?
Yes.
Okay, and here it will be the support. Why I have considered, everyone understood now? Because this resistance was broken and I want to, and momentum is showing that market will go up. So I want to find out if market moves up also, till where it can move up. So I will be taking the another day's high. So we got this high. Now let's go and see what had happened. See, you can see how we have exited safe there. See, this red line was not there, right? When we have
Yeah.
drawn this 1 is to 2. If we were not knowing that to draw this previous day's the just previous to previous day's resistance, we would have waited till what 1 is to 2 target here, right?
Hmm.
Here what it had happened, we know that market have a resistance over here. So what happened, we when it reached over here we exited. Simple. This rule apply only that day's resistance is broken. Can anyone explain what I have told? Ma'am, I think it is a little bit confused, right?
No, no.
Huh?
I understood because uh, just previous days market had broken that resistance.
Yes,
So that
yes.
is why you wanted to find out is there any other resistance?
Yeah, we need to find out why we need to find out is no, ma'am. If we are getting a good setup in our trend line, not this one, in
Hmm.
our trend line, we are getting a good setup for taking for long position. At
Hmm.
that time, we need to find out whether any in our path any obstruction will be there. So in
Hmm.
order to find out that, it is very important. We need to find out the next resistance.
Just before that,
Yeah, just before that means
23rd you saw 21st because 22nd already it was broken.
yes. And when ma'am was drawing, ma'am, can you now share your chart? I think Viresh, have you understood?
Yes, doctor, I got it.
Got it right? What is it is very much important. Okay, if you don't, you're not getting means you can ask. I can explain. No problem.
No, I was confused when I was seeing the video. There
Aha.
were
Okay.
three
Okay.
lines, right? So I thought I'll just check.
Okay.
Maybe.
Now you understood. No, in video why the two resistance
Yeah,
have come,
yeah, yes, yes.
because the resistance what we drawn from the previous date got broken.
Yeah,
So we need new resistance.
new resistance.
Yeah. So even in support also we can do the same. If one support have broken and we want to go short, means if we want to sell, we need to see the next support, right? Ulta it will happen.
Another, if the new resistance is very near to the old resistance, can we consider a third previous day's
No, 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 no.
resistance?
If it is in same line, same price movement, you can consider. If it is like 100 points up also, you should consider the previous one only.
Okay,
It should, if it is equal price, like for example, if it is 46,500 was yesterday's resistance and the previous days of that one also 46,500, you can go to other. But if 1 or 2 points up also, you should consider the previous days only.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Are you seeing Abhiram
Yeah,
now?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. So now you have understood. Now you will be able to make out now, ma'am, because that day's resistance was broken, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what had happened? We need the next one.
Yeah,
So
we went
in
here. This one.
next one, what had happened is your old first resistance you have drawn is higher than the other previous day's candle, right? So you should count and go from the previous, not from, you
This
cannot
one, this one.
directly go and find out one high. So what had happened, that red candle, now what we have drawn is the nearest to our this thing candle.
Mm, mm.
Understood, no?
Yes.
You should not go to the on any another candle, because this is the nearest high
Yes.
resistance. Because if you go, why I am telling is, if you go to the other previous candle, it will be even higher than the what you have drawn now, ma'am,
Ah,
now.
yes, it is here, even higher here.
Yeah, because what will happen, this price movement it will get rejected, you will be waiting till the previous high.
Hmm. Hmm.
Understood, no?
Yes.
Okay, so the very
When you
nearest
are
high.
telling everything, we are understanding, but not able to do,
No,
but
ma'am,
not able to find.
that will be coming in practice only, it will be coming.
I will play here now.
You can increase little more, ma'am. Speed is very high actually.
2.5 per second.
Increase, ma'am, increase. Because otherwise you won't be able to draw the lines or anything. It will be very fast. Entries also you will not be able to take it properly. No, ma'am, increase. You're decreasing it.
How much it should be?
Let it be four, like. Enough, ma'am. Yeah, you can play with that also. Let's see. Zoom in, ma'am. Zoom in properly. Next resistance also it have broken actually.
This
And
candle is formed
yeah, and one support also was given actually.
here. ಎಂತ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ
It
ಮತ್ತೆ
stopped,
ಬಂದ
ma'am.
Huh?
You have stopped it.
No, no, I didn't do anything.
you didn't do anything, it stopped right by itself.
Abiram, can you show in
Yeah,
your
yeah,
side?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I'm sure. Yes. You can stop sharing, ma'am. It's visible, right?
Yes.
So I think this is 31st, from February 1st we will see. So this is the 31st, January 31st till January 31st. This price movement is there. What we will do? We'll go to the daily candle. Ma'am, that video you have seen, no, that last days, yeah,
Yes.
have for able to understand what we have done in that video.
What you had shared that, no?
Yes.
I understood what you have done, but
Okay.
the thing is, what if I was in your position, I wouldn't have caught it.
Okay. That will
Matlab,
come, ma'am. That will come in practice, no problem.
that's what.
So we can see this is the support of support, and this is the resistance. Now we will start playing. Now see, ma'am, market opened, right? Exactly, it have gone
Yes,
and
it
hitted the resistance and
tested the
came down.
resistance.
Came down. So I think hope everyone understood the importance of drawing previous days. This candle wouldn't have formed at once like this actually. It would have taken some time and formed actually. Means that is the some disadvantage of this go charting or any other charting. Candles will form like this only, sudden formation will happen. That's why always what we need to do is we need to go and learn in live market this. Tomorrow onwards everyone can start practicing in live market also. because every 5 5 5 5 1 1 candle at once it will form. So what is the trend here? The trend is broken, right?
Sideways trend is broken.
Here also one reversal was there, small reversal market was showing here. You can see this higher, this low was broken in this one. Visible, it is visible.
Yes.
Now it's visible now.
Yes.
This was broken and it was showing a trend reversal also. Again it has shown a trend reversal again. Because last market will be very confused actually. Because the closing time. So actually I never used to trade after post 2:30. So again it have formed. So here again market have shown a reversal, again a higher high is formed. Now what had happened? It is now still market is running. Let's run the market. So ma'am, here everyone can see it have broken the, it shown a reversal here. It was the previous lower high. See, visible, right? I think Viresh, you can mute some mic sound is coming actually. Now what we can do is let's go and see in line chart any entries are there. Yes. So it's, I think for everyone it is visible now. I spotted a downtrend in that.
Hmm.
We would have checked a little bit early. We checked late. So this is one, this is two. We need to wait because we need to consider from here only. Don't consider from here because the previous day now, ma'am, this is
Hmm.
what we'll do. That days we need to consider the trend because we are going to trade in that day. So we should analyze why we are using the trend line is we need to analyze the trend of the market. So we will be analyzing this day's trend. So let market little bit happen. Let's see. We even can put this one and see the live market. Spotting is very important. But here also we won't take any trade, ma'am, even though in that candle it's shown line, but we
Hmm.
are not able to see a proper retracements and moving up, right?
Yes. Yes.
So we need to wait for a proper retracement also. without any proper retracement market is showing like this, there we cannot take. That is the rule, right? One
Yes.
one touch, second touch, and third touch we need to wait for a proper retracement, then only we need to enter. We cannot consider this as a price movement. See here, if it would have gone exact price movement is like, it would have done like this, and it took a proper retracement down, then this price action we can consider.
Mm,
Understood now, ma'am? So
mm,
even though in your line chart, if it shows like this, see here it is a showing a small curves, right? But
yes.
once we come to candle, that's why after drawing that one, we'll come to the candle. But in
Mm,
candle, it is not visible,
yes.
that price movement. So don't get confused there. Don't take. When a proper price movement happens, then only you should take. Proper price movement in the sense, it is called as 1 2 3 move actually. It will form a proper high. It will form a proper law, like same how we have drawn in trend analysis.
Mm, mm,
So such movements, such peaks and lows and peaks should happen actually. High and a low, high and a low, such movement should happen in our line, then only we should enter. So let's watch.
In that book, what you shared, no, Abhiram, in that clearly it is written, train your eyes, train your eyes to read.
No, ma'am. Seriously, actually, first it will be very difficult. No, no, that is very difficult in the sense. Now we need to spot all these things.
That is.
That continuously it will happen only with proper continuous watching, ma'am. It will automatically come once we comes to chat pattern also.
Mm,
You will be able to, before formation of the chat pattern, we will come in our mind, it will come, it is going to form like that. So previously we will draw and keep that pattern before the market forms. So it will come for everyone. It will take some time, like continuously we need to see everyday's market and we need to test. So let's see, we got a line here actually. Let's see whether it in candle what it is showing. We can consider this one, ma'am.
mm, mm.
Why? Because it have taken a upward moment. Ma'am, we can now, let's see, we can consider this as, this price movement as second. It have come till here now, ma'am.
Mm,
See, always what everyone should do is immediately just coming and touching, don't take the risk. So what had happened, market was coming from top to down, right? At that time, don't jump in and take while just when it touched and bounced back. So what it is showing is, why market is coming down, sellers are pushing the market down, right? So here in this line some stop losses will be there, because of that one only market will jump a little bit. But always entry should be, mark for an up entry, market should go down and then it should come up. What it indicates, when market goes down and it is showing up, that means that here buyers are there. buyers are pushing the market. So always remember this as a rule, that an entry should be taken only when the market should come down from up, and sorry, from market should come from top to down, and then you need to wait, and from down to top market should come up to your entry, then only you should take, because you need to confirm that buyers are there and buyers are pushing up. So while falling, what is happening, sellers are pushing up. So if you suddenly jump that it reached this line, you may get trapped there. So always wait for that one to come little bit down and move up. Understood, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, confused, any confusion is there?
No, no.
Okay. Means what is the logic behind that? Everyone understood why we are doing that? Because
Never catch a falling knife.
yeah, yes, yes, yes. Always wait to go up. So here actually market have fallen, and it have shown a what? It have shown a buying pressure also, right? Ma'am, you can see this red candle. It was a very, till here it have fallen. Again, buyers have pushed up. Again in this candle, it have pushed up little bit. So let's wait for a little bit green bodied candle. See, this is called as a doji. Everyone, anyone know what is doji? Heard at least what is a doji candle?
Heard, heard.
Heard, no?
It
Ma'am,
is some important.
it is very important. That's what I am not taking one doji topic and going or anything, because no ma'am, while we practice like this, we will
Mm,
come to know the importance and we won't forget. So if I
mm,
take one session about candlestick, I'll be just telling bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, doji, like that I'll be telling and going, but in market you won't be able to find out or see the importance. So now I will tell you what doji is. So this is an example of a doji candle. What had happened, a huge wick is there from top to down, and from down to up also huge wick is there, and very small body is there, right?
yes.
So what it tell, because we need the candlesticks to know what is the mentality of that trading had happened in that particular time frame. So this is the 5 minute time frame. In this 5 minute, this trading session had happened, and it indicates indecision. So doji is an indecisive candle actually. There is no proper direction. We cannot tell the direction here, because sellers are also confused, buyers are also confused. So that confusion you will be able to see in the doji. So doji represents a indecisive market. Why how it is I mean, because how it formed. See, it market have pushed it till here, buyers have brought till up, sellers again have brought it down, and it is in a middle portion with a small body. There is no power for buyers and sellers there. Understood?
Yes.
That is called as an indecisive candle. So what we should do, we should understand that market is also confused whether what to do there. So at that moment we should not enter, because what happened, even though our criteria is met, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, but in 3 that is not a good candle to enter. Because why, what we want to know, we don't have the confirmation, because even though it is meeting our rules also, it is a game of probability, right? So we need to be very much keen that a small minute mistake should not happen. So what here will happen is, this shows a indecision in market. So it is safe not to enter here. Why? Because market is not having direction. So now I think everyone understood what is the importance of a doji candle.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's see another candle how it's formed. And in my video also, I think I have entered in a very big candle. Everyone have seen that. So a big candle indicates a huge buying momentum. Means that buyers have done a drastic buying. See, in this candle you can say very good momentum is there in this candle, because huge buying had happened. So let's see now what had happened. Actually, see, ma'am, this was a very good entry, ma'am. This one.
Mm, mm,
Why? Because it is a bullish candle, because it have a very good body. Everyone able to see?
yes.
Even in this candle also we won't enter. This candle was a very good candle to enter. So always remember this candle. It is a bullish candle. So what we have done, what we will do is a short position and long position. We would have entered here and we would have kept our stop loss here, closing of that. So not closing, the low of that candle we will keep, and what we will keep, we will keep 1 is to 2. I want to make one important point. Anyone can, and anyone found out that? Anyone can tell? Even though it have hit the target, we wouldn't have taken the target.
Resistance.
Yes. Ma'am, understood?
Yes, resistance lies line we are seeing.
Yeah, yes, yes. Let's go to little bit lower time frame and let's see whether it have given any resistance. No, no, directly shorted up. So, but this was our safe exit, ma'am.
Mhm.
Because why?
That resistance point is the safe.
Yeah, and this is the importance also, because you are able to see that this resistance is there. Not every time this thing should happen. This is once in 100 or 1 or 2 times it will happen. It will break the resistance and go and hit the target. Most of the time, what will happen? We will be taking entry and we will be waiting. It will be coming down. If we are not drawn this previous day's resistance, we won't be knowing that market is going to get rejected here. So we will be waiting. What will happen from here? It will come and hit the stop loss. Here it haven't had happened, but for us, what we need to get maximum profitable trades. That's why we will use all this criteria. So how much point would have covered? 92 to 178. Not good in max. Anyone can tell? Around 83 points was covered in this short trade. Now I hope in this video everyone was able to understand the support and resistance, right?
Yes, yes.
It is very, ma'am, and even you can see that how that support was resistance was broken, and how it is giving support also. Able to see now this candle was pushing up from that line. Let's play. See, ma'am, this red candle you have seen. No, we won't. I always will tell now, ma'am. We won't consider
Yeah,
the wick.
wick.
You see how neatly it is coming and taking, giving the support. This candle was closed exactly above that line. Again, a green buying momentum had happened. Again, it is getting support. So the resistance have become support here. It is broken again. See, again, I think we will get an entry over here, because after 3, actually we can take n number of. See, and one more thing is that it indicates that our trend line is proper. See, ma'am, you can see even the trend line is giving a support, right?
Yes.
If you would have entered, it would have been a stop loss. Why? We should not enter here. Why? Anyone can tell why we should not enter there? And again, it is showing our means this one importance of support and resistance. Ma'am, this resistance was broken here with a very bad body, red body. That indicates this support means previously it have become support, right? With a very good green body, this resistance have become a support. Now here and all it was taking a support, because now body was closed. So still it was that resistance have been a support. Now what had happened in this candle? I'm deleting this. In this candle, what it had happened? It have
Huge selling.
broken the resistance with the body, not sorry, support with the body, and this one again it have become resistance, right?
Yes.
If resistance is broken, what it have become? It have become a
So,
support. And if support is broken, what it will become? It will become a resistance. And it didn't broken. And if you took entry here, this is the resistance, right? Who will take their trade? No one will take the trade there. You got my point now?
yes, yes.
Even though the candle have formed in a bullish momentum, see,
It is
if
in
we
the
would haven't,
resistance.
if we wouldn't have drawn this resistance, we would have got a stop loss. I think sessions are becoming too much brainstorming, I think.
No, no. Like, again, we will see next day. That time, again, like, we will understand.
Yeah, ma'am. Now everyone should make clear that support and resistance, how important it is for trading with your strategy. Not, you cannot trade. I don't know. I cannot trade with support and resistance alone. But there are some players. What they will do whenever support reaches or resistance reaches, they will short here, because when market is coming from down to here and they know the resistance is there, what they will do, they will short the market because they think that it will come down, and when it come down to support they will buy. Understood, no? So we are not doing that. We are only using support and resistance to give additional support for our strategy. So I think now all are able to understand how important support and resistance in deployment of any strategy, right? I think Viresh, ma'am, you would have heard about EMA cross, like moving average indicators, indicator based strategy. I think everyone heard, right?
Heard.
Like 2 EMA cross means 5 days
Cross.
and 20 days cross you buy. Yes, if you learn this one, you can be successful in that also, because
Mhm.
we will be doing that trading also without drawing this support and resistance, right? We'll be only purely believing in EMA cross. See, actually, for here, what would have happened is here one EMA cross would have happened here in this case. What we will blindly we will enter, and what will happen, market will move little bit up and from here it will come down and hit your stop loss. But EMA cross would have happened over here in this position. You know that market can go till here, right? Or if it have
Mm.
happened here, you know market should go till here. Means you can go green, means you can take the trade. But it when it comes over here or here, it is very risky because you have a resistance above your EMA cross. Understood, no? I'm telling about the practical utility in future for anyone to develop. If anyone is developing any strategy, you should remember that you need to know any nearby support or resistance is there. I hope everyone understood, right?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Ma'am, understood, no?
Yes, yes. That
Any?
we have to put no the DMA cross that two line and we have to see. That I understood.
Yeah. So what will happen is nearby if it is giving a signal to buy, but
Mm.
very near only resistance is there. So you
Mm.
should not take that trade. If little bit, so here if it was giving, you can take because this much distance is there, no ma'am.
Mm. Yes, yes.
But nearby if it is coming and giving, if you are not knowing, you will enter. Means what,
Mm.
this resistance is there. So that's why even in first class also I told day high and day low is very important.
Mm.
Even if you go for any support and resistance class also, what they will tell you go and see the previous where and all the candle is getting rejection, and if minimum 3 candles get rejecting in one line, you draw that one as resistance, right? Even I have done that previously. And if 2 3 lines is giving support, you draw there as support. In this, I think everyone have able to draw now support and resistance without any tension. Go to the daily chart, draw the previous day's high low. That is the main support and resistance. Even you can see, ma'am, in previous time also, see how it will be that support and resistance is exactly working. See, it is
Yes,
coming and
yes.
hitting
Yes.
down, right? See here that support have broken and it have become a resistance, you can see,
Mm.
because that area will become a very proper. See, ma'am, that's it have take it almost came near and took the support here.
Yes.
So that's why in videos and all they will be telling Nifty is nearby its all time low, all time high. and taking
Yes, yes.
support. This one you can even implement in any of your stock also. It is not only for options, it is universal. What we are learning is even for stock trading also you can do. Ma'am, I think now you ma'am can able to find out where Tata Power or any share will go, where resistance is and where support is.
Yes. Where we have to, yeah, I understood
Yes,
that.
where you can sell it, and when it come to the support you can add more.
Rebuy.
It is simple. Now understood, no ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so it is very important, and what we should do is we need to think where and all it can be utilized. And this confusion for you, ma'am, it had happened because I think you have used very small seconds per bar and done, right? So fast it will form. So you won't be able to trade it, means so find the trend and all properly. See here, when we put slowly and we have gone and checked the chart, we were able to find out
Mm.
a proper trend here, and we took an entry and we got a decent profit. 50 points is enough actually in bank nifty to take a small trade. Yesterday we almost covered 200 points, ma'am, in that.
Oh.
So I think for what everyone can do is, if anyone wants to do and see, better to do in live market. And usually Friday, even for Friday will be closing for Indian market also, even forex also. So instead of that, what everyone can do is they can go to their trading view, and you can search for BTC and go to this Binance BTC. You can take this one, double click, it will be formed. So, ma'am, this is like 24 into 7. This is Bitcoin chart actually.
Uh-huh.
Okay, see what you can do is you can just now what I have done is now the market is live actually. Lively it is going on. So what we can do, we can put the daily chart. We'll go and draw the previous day's high and previous day's low. Ma'am, actually, this strategy what we are doing now, ma'am, it is first time doing actually. I never done before. While this teaching time, no, ma'am. Uh,
Uh-huh.
when this line chart also it came accidentally. At that teaching time only, I just thought, how let's see what it is possible. Let's do and see like this. But it have worked out even in Nifty also. I have done the trade in Nifty with this one. Then later tried in Bank Nifty, Forex and all. It was working out very nicely because the point what it is covering is little bit high.
Mm-hmm.
So I think everyone can try to implement in this market, in any market, and see for few days. If it is working out, I think we can directly go for trading now only.
Mm.
So this is sideways map. See, there is no much price movements are there. Completely it is in a price this thing. Bitcoin is moving in a sideways actually. We won't be getting any trades, much trades in this. Here we would have got some trades, I think.
3 points we can see.
If we get two, mem, immediately draw and kept for the future. For example, when I was drawing, this was not there, means I will be drawing and keeping like this in the future. In this one only 2 points it's touched. No, there was no trade, ma'am, because it is in sideways, ma'am. It is in a range, it is playing. You can see no much movement is there, see,
Yes.
because holidays moment will here would have been taken the trade. Here some moment was there. So I think everyone can go to BTC also, can backtest, and even replay button is possible even in trading view also, but it should be paid version. I think 1 month everyone they will be giving free. At that time, you can just opt for a free for one trial month. Then you can backtest for 1 month by any strategy. Here one replay button will be there. If you click, you can do the same exactly. But it should be a paid version. I think we can wind up with this one. I think everyone understood, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, doctor.
Ma'am, any doubts?
No doubt. Again, I will do tomorrow. I will see.
Yeah, ma'am. What you should do now, ma'am, increase that one, ma'am, maximum.
Ha ha ha.
Yeah, increase it, and that live doing it will be entirely different only actually. Even by
Mm.
replaying also increase that speed. Increase not sorry, not increasing, decrease the speed. In that one, if you increase, it will decrease the speed. So then
That is
in
what
between you need
after the
to yeah, ma'am.
formation. No, I felt here I could have done a trend line, but while forming,
Yeah.
while it was forming, it was difficult for me to draw.
Ma'am, consider only two. You don't wait for the third one to draw that one. In two
Mm.
touches only you need to draw and keep. For example, in this one on two touches only was there, right? While I was
Mm.
drawing. So in that two touch you need to draw and keep to the future. Means empty
Mm.
empty. So there you need to be waiting for the touch and confirmation.
Mm. Mm.
It will come, ma'am. It will come automatically while if you are practicing.
Continuously, if I see the chart, then I may understand how it is moving in this way.
Yeah, in what you should do now, ma'am, in between you need to go and change this to line, or you keep line and watch, ma'am. If you haven't
Mm.
drawn, for this is another one tip. If no one have drawn any trend line, what you can do is watch the market in lines. Now, ma'am, you can put the replay. I will share 1 second.
I have watched it in line only.
Line one
Then
still.
after drawing, I converted it into candles.
Okay. It will come, ma'am. It will continuously while don't get upset.
No.
Continuously while drawing means while watching, you will come to know one day means within 1 month or 1 week it may take, but you will come to
Mm.
know when to draw. See here also we can see one before forming only we can draw and see, ma'am, like this and put the replay. Okay, sorry, sorry.
In what you had shared, no, Biram. After that video, you shared a two green candle wala screenshot.
Yeah, ma'am.
That is different, no?
1 second, ma'am. In Telegram only, no, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Points and all, it is different.
Okay, that is Bank Nifty's I have shared, no?
Yes,
The target hit.
yes, yes.
That is different, ma'am, because now some even actually some people they are doing trading daily actually.
Ha
For
ha
them
ha.
to do trading, I have given points, buying and
Chart.
selling points.
Ha, ha.
That will come, ma'am. Slowly will come to that because they were
Mm.
doing. That's why I have drawn and sent actually.
Me no urgency. I am still afraid.
Okay, but you will get confidence, ma'am. When once continuously when you are able to draw and get the target, you will be confident. At that time only, we should go for the entries in market. Here also no price movement was there, so we cannot
Mm.
consider. Good price movement should happen, ma'am. Then only we can consider actually. It will come, ma'am. It will come in market. It will come.
Okay, Biram.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, we'll wind up then today's.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye
Ma'am,
bye.
everyone please check that what is a doji, what is a bullish engulfing, and what is a bearish engulfing. I have shown it in live market. Just go through the theoretical part.
I made notes also, Biram. Color, color.
Okay, but now you understood now, ma'am, how to use that.
Yes, yes.
One more
Doji
session.
hammer,
Yeah, one more session we will be taking how to use that candle, how to use that candle we will take.
shooting star, everything I drew and kept.
Yeah, morning star, evening star, like
Morning
that.
star, evening star.
So we need to find even for even that morning star and evening star also, no, ma'am. It will tell that morning star is bullish. So
It is a clear signal. That is what they say,
yeah,
no?
they will tell ma'am, but
Ah,
what will happen is in nearby any resistance if it forms,
then don't take.
don't take. And if it is in a downtrend, then you
Ah,
can take because it is so after getting a reversal, if it shows means it will be a very good because it is a reversal pattern also. So for that and also a lot of rules we need to apply, ma'am.
hmm.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, bye all.
Okay,
Good night.
thank
Viresh, no doubts, no? Febin was also there. Okay. Okay, good night all. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay.
Good night.